everybody, welcome back to Grandma's Corner, where making cheap videos is the latest rage during our COVID-19 issue going on in 2020. Anyways, to lighten up things, we are going to make a delicious snack that is very, very healthy. Guacamole! Who doesn't like guacamole? Guacamole, the prime ingredient is avocados. And the key is to make sure they are ripe. And ripe, when I mean ripe, that means very soft to the touch, because you want to make sure that you can squish all those together, all the avocado together with the other ingredients, and make a wonderful appetizer or snack. All right, because we're cooking, we got to make sure that we get our hands nice and clean. I've already washed my hands, so I am germ-free. And notice I also put my hair up, because we do not want any stragglers invading our snack. All right, this is what you need. Now, the thing with guacamole is it is so versatile. Now, what does versatile mean? That means you can make it a variety of ways. And you start off with the main ingredient, which is avocados. And I have to put this up a little bit because I'm noticing that the camera is picking up the edge. Oh, that is so much better. All right, here we go. So we've got avocados. You can add mayonnaise if you like that. Sour cream is another nice addition you can add instead of mayonnaise. Notice I have to get lower now. Whoo! I'm no longer vertically challenged. I like to add salsa. This is my homemade salsa that I made last year. You can also cut up fresh tomatoes if you would like. Salt and pepper, very nice additions depending on what it is that you like in terms of flavor. All right, now we've got to cut this up. So this is where you're going to need some assistance. You either need to ask an adult or an older brother or sister who's capable of using a sharp knife. I'm going to demonstrate how to cut the avocado. Start at the top, and very carefully you're going to want to go all the way around until it opens up into two beautiful halves. Now, in order to get this pit out of here, again, this is where an adult needs to help you. You have to smack it with the knife, give it a twist, and then off it goes into the food bin. Scrape out your avocado with a nice spoon. Nice big one works very well. I already added one avocado because I knew that I was going to be hungry today, so I was going to use two of them. Now my avocado skins going in my waste bin. Okay, give it a good smush. This is where smushing with food is A-OK. Smush, mush, 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 mush. All right, I'm going to get myself a clean spoon, and I'm going to add a dollop. A dollop means a large spoonful of salsa. And I'm also going to put in with another clean spoon, I'm going to put in a dollop of mayonnaise. I happen to love mayonnaise. All right, let's give it another good squish job. Squish, squish, squish. Turn it around. Oh my gosh, look at that. Doesn't that look like a restaurant grade guacamole? And there you go. It's done. There's nothing else you have to do now other than invite your friends over and have a feast. I got myself some chips, and I'm going to give myself a little treat. Look at that, folks. Guacamole, homemade. Can't get better than that. Bon appetit.